Hello everyone, welcome to Back Tech Product. In today's video, I will show you the best MPPT Solar Charge Controller. This advanced controller maximizes solar energy efficiency while keeping installation simple and safe. Let's get started. Product features: efficient energy conversion. The eSun 60-amp PPT controller uses smart MPPT tech to ensure solar panels always operate at max efficiency, even in low light. It extracts more energy compared to basic controllers, helping you get more power when the sun isn't at full strength. Enhanced performance monitoring. The built-in LCD display shows real-time system stats like battery voltage and charging status. This visual feedback lets you monitor performance instantly and make informed adjustments or identify issues quickly for better system maintenance. Automatic voltage detection. This controller auto-detects your battery voltage during setup, making installation straightforward. No guessing whether you need 12 volts or 24 volts. It configures itself. Great for beginners and veterans alike, reducing setup errors and hassle. Versatile battery compatibility. Supports sealed lead-acid, vented, gel, and lithium batteries, all in one device. Whether you choose traditional or modern battery tech, the eSun controller adapts, giving you flexibility to upgrade as your energy needs evolve. Safety features. Built-in safeguards like reverse polarity and overcharge protection help keep your solar panels and batteries safe from electrical damage. These features provide peace of mind by protecting critical components when power or wiring issues occur. Easy installation. Designed for both pros and DIYers, the eSun 60-amp allows fast wall mount mounting. Clear screw points and compact build mean you can get your system up and running in minutes. No complex tools or wiring knowledge required. Pros. Efficient MPPT for max solar energy harvest. Real-time LCD monitoring for system visibility. Self-detects voltage for hassle-free setup. Works with multiple battery types. Built-in protection for safe operation. Cons. No built-in temperature compensation for charging. LCD may be hard to read in bright sunlight. May require external fans in hot climates. Final thoughts. For anyone seeking a powerful, flexible, and user-friendly MPPT controller, the eSun 60A is a standout choice. It combines smart energy conversion, intuitive monitoring, and safety features in a compact, accessible form, ideal for any solar setup. Power smarter, not harder. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Product and like this video for more future-ready solar gear.